child come to prison and
release from the jail. After he releases from the jail.
After he released from the jail, he became a normal person and lived the normal life. The child normally can't live because he probably see abuse in the prison. He will get he may have a bully from other children or something like that. He will have a psychological trauma, and this trauma will really hurt the child's mind, and so he will think about only a crime because he already see what happens will be if he do it. So he will do it only for this. He can't live normally because he already seen this all this dark side of this do something and they make mistakes and.
По-моему, уже повтор аргумента уже точно.
Ну раскрытие.
Психология травма открыла.
Нет, я тебе сказала, не может быть жить нормальной жизнью.
I think that you're repeating, but she's adding more information. As I said, that you can add more additional information to the arguments in the first tables.
So, просто, когда мы разделились на две группы и на одну тему, мы разделили вот аргумент ашпет, аргументты біз қорғаймыз деп. По-разному дайындалдық из-за этого. Но у меня другой аргумент, от других написано.
I saw segments. If we say about education of children, not only parents give education to the children because I want to say about my experience. When I sit on the human rights and lesson about human rights and laws, the teacher says about his experience. And he said one of his pupil the crime, the administration crime, and the pupil give his number to the class and another, and child can choose an ideal and repeat his actions, repeat his minds, and not only parents give education to the child. In our country, Kazakhstan, many of the teachers give education for their pupil, and they can give education, and child and grandparents, sisters or brothers can give education. Not only parents. In my opinion, it's right.
Now let's listen to the government too. Speaker 2. Second speaker.
For example, there should be parents control their children who they for example their friends where they study and in their free time parents give them a kind of additional class, for example maybe in karate or basketball game, for example develop their children's one side, for example their mind or their
afraid to have children, and the parent him, but behavior accepted not only from parents but from a circle of friends too. It has start interesting, similar, and the manner of speech and all things can be similar. And behavior because without punishment children will not understand that this is bad, and it may happen again. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Age, children often manipulate their friends. Children themselves are responsible for their mistakes. They will not understand the situation. Since children cannot be punished, and when their parents punish, they feel sorry for their parents, and are also afraid of their reaction. So they learn to control themselves. And in the end, parents are responsible for the development of their children. They are obliged to take care of their children's health, physical, mental, and moral development.
Do you have some questions, because this is the last speaker from the government? Don't you have any questions? Okay, you can sit down.
The world will not be changed, and the parents will not be more attentive and more, make more attention where their children, what they're doing, and about their mind and something like this. In our point that if we will forget about the individual things and something like this, if you know, there are some quotes that different time bring the smart people. Smart people make easy time, let's say. Easy time. And easy time bring the very weak people, yes. And I'm not about the generation, but anyway, I was educated, in my home, like my mother, my parents was very strong. And I'm not saying that I'm a very good person, but I have penalty and I have some mistakes too. But what I want to say is that if we see in our children only individual parts, individual people who should be responsible by themselves and something like this, will our world continue to developing? It will be stopped because our strong generation before us, our parents, bring us and try to make our lives more easier and something like this. And we see now in our social media how majority, not all of them, the most majority parents make their children's life so easy, and this criminal again and again. And here I'm sure that parents need to be more, not attentive, more responsible for this crime too. Because we know, I don't know about you, but we know that there was some crime about this person who is from rich and from our country government, some who die, some people, and he repeated a few times. Why? Because the money, their parents close the situation with money.
Okay, we'll get there. But before that, let's listen to our presenters. We're going to start with Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, let's welcome Mahatma, Mr. Gandhi.
Dears, I am greeting you here, and it's such a pleasure to be here with so famous people. But now our balloon going to crash. That's why I should think about the infinity. Actually, we don't know who of us will live or who will die. That's why I need be here till the end, because I will help to you find your own soul, and I can support you meet your death with pleasure.
Now, thank you. Our next presenter is Diego Armando Manuel.
So I'm a famous person in the football world. I can afford for politics, society, and so done it. I have two champions, football champions. So that's all.
Our next presenter is Mr. Albert Einstein.
So, I'm Albert Einstein, yeah. I want to say just one thing. I'm a very smart person, yeah. If you have some problem, I will help you, yeah. Our bottle crash. And if you need спасательный
Rescue?
yeah. You hope on God, and you hope also me.
Mr. Leonardo da Vinci.
Wow. I'm already populated in Italy as an artist. So a lot of museums, my pictures stayed in a lot of museums. For example, you may go there and take photo as a memorable things. So I want to say you may enjoy with my pictures, and I paint there with my feelings.
And last but not least, Mr. Steve Jobs.
I'm Steve Jobs. Right now I'm creating new phones, new innovations, new gadgets, and in future I will create even more innovation gadgets to help people.
Okay, 20 seconds, come on.
That's enough, I think. Also, I can help people not only for gadgets. I can also help with robots that right now, I can help not only the people. I can also help to the nature to create.
All right. Now, the audience, let's decide. Who would you throw out? Okay, I think that's a unanimous vote. Okay, but whose speech was the best here? Whose speech did you like most?
I did.
Okay. I need 5 more volunteers. 5 more. Okay, quick. Becker is here. Okay. 3 more. Come on, ladies over there. Come on. Okay, here we go. 2 more volunteers. Ayan, and 1 more. Come on, guys. Come on. Just 1 more volunteer. Come on, guys. Okay, we don't have that much time. Just 1 person.
Can you name a celebrity, please?
What's that?
Can you name a celebrity?
Come on stage. Okay, this time we will be playing not with celebrities, but with jobs. Okay, with professions. Okay, I forgot the name. Achtota will be the doctor. Okay, Achtota will be the doctor. Balnur will be the builder. Okay, the builder. Becker will be the teacher. Adlet will be the politician. Okay, and Ayan will be imam. Okay, you got 1 minute to prepare. Okay, 1 minute. So yeah. Besides professions that I chose, what other professions do you think would be helpful if you are on a balloon? That was a question. What other professions will be useful if you're on a balloon?
Teacher.
No, besides those I named.
Nurses, I think.
Nurses. Who else would you want to see on a balloon?
Engineer.
Engineers.
Ол профессияны шығарда.
Engineer?
Жоқ, инженер емес. Выживать из этого, он профессия. Да? Пловец же.
I think we need a coach.
Hi dears, my name, I'm doctor, surgeon, and I can help you in the future. Please choose me.
Okay, that was good. Okay, Balmer.
Hi, my name is, I'm a builder. I will help you to build medicine, hospitals, schools, and very well constructed buildings. That's all.
We have the teacher.
Hi everyone. My profession is teacher. I must be in the safe because nobody in this place, any profession, any profession cannot be invented without me because nothing to teach them. Никому учить так.
Be nobody.
Nobody, yeah, no one be nobody because I will teach them what they will do in the future for people, and without me they cannot do anything.
Okay. We have the politician.
Hello everyone, I'm the politician and I think my job is very important. With my reference I can save very many people and my decision is very important and if in that time we don't have a good politician but I want to be a good politician and I can create a new story.
Okay. Last but not least, our Imam.
So, my name is Ayan, I'm Imam, and I can teach you Quran, and I can, if you worry about something, we have a God, and I think we need to, I don't want to throw out anybody. Yeah.
Okay, who do we throw out? Who do we throw out? Which profession? Okay, you gotta choose. Who are you throwing out, guys? Dimash, who are you throwing out? The rest of you, what do you think? Who do we throw out? No one likes politicians. Whose speech did you like most? Becker's? Okay, well done. Good job. Now we split in 2 rooms. Қазір біз 2 бөлмеге бөлеміз. Bir bölme beginner elementary